Defense Minister, Honorable Kofi Amankwa Menu, na yeneno akotwetwe nkomo. Akra?
Yeah.
We dey amount nkwa de di kan.
Entu da se.
Megidi ese bibia bokọ de.
Na me abon bibia bokọ na bro na mabre.
Obebre. Enra mi ankasa mi hu TV so. Na me frɛ mi nua me frɛ wante.
Oh, we man to ba say hu me na me ready.
Oh, ready na wo ye. Say in fact 4 years ago now the one konka omo every ballot your friends papers ni be ne he snatch a ballot box for parliament no we
are town na ready.
Now what was somewhere and now to somewhere but adeba kwa me difference am hu mu ne say baby a 2020 now what no me say na we chika kraba that time around here what be ni mu pa.
Oh, and you said that and share asetina baby a obia ebetina. And we are no lay free for all. No be to meet na baby a open. To me agree parliament no. Na baby a me kotina na we obia nti and ma me kotina on. To me say e for me baby a dia mamia me kotina there be. You said that and share. To me free for all to me kotina on.
All right. I feel young share. I mean, after 8 years in power, Enra na 12 a.m. and I say and I do 12 a.m. na MPP lose power to a NDC. Na o share as former deputy defense minister, o party Efra Bemu. Now we transited from majority to minority. How was the feeling like?
Well, I'm feeling said will be a bay will be a Ghana so be a better. But the beer so a go yatiku beer. I was seeing a going year pano. And no man be saying, and yet a dear or better. But a idea a car entertain also ever. Media meta say nyame adom de yakwanya edin panyinfo na se ehia agro no hwem pabakosem ehia mu entitiye emu esoko emu efem eba ense ya bia e kan but enye adia sebe ube pe se beba wakwemu but e ka adwuma no ho and e ka agro no ho but anyway no I mean it was very mixed feeling. But then for me, the lowest part of it all, I said I'm too many, na many be a menomo, here in the 8th Parliament. Na home. I mean that's and yet idea sabi enika. Especially me share me call Parliament na be a backbencher. Na ye call this time na me true many na menkwa na me wo 8 floor be na me office wo na me true many na me nuanum na ama no sabi na idea ha drink kakra but a part of the game. I know if you are now you're well grounded in politics, you accept the fact that when you are up it's part of the game, when you are down it's part of the game. When you are down, it gives you an opportunity to go back to the drawing table and to come back. MPP shall surely come back.
Enra, me share nkunya na moteso na me de compare a year 2016 2020 na ase a shrink papa.
Maybe I shrink but my will say a similar thing happened to the MDC in 2017. A similar thing happened to them. Some of them now Rebecca here, when the NPP had 167 and they had I think 90 something. Today they are back. If you would be there, would be but it would be would be but the Obama na you and they say NPP want to go back to the drawing table to come back and then the Obama na you. But once we have that MPP spirit that will direct and guide us to go back to the drawing table and give us that spirit to fight back. And you be any hokra. And you know.
So see, you say a numbers now. None other now will be asemi say mopekra monko parliament. Na moko ye day because say mudru hwa to tesi betim dia bibia. Enti nkebe kra anka mo betim kra atena fia ye adwuma ana
obi obeka say bia no mena na nyadwen. Atwuma kwa homa this year to abama me say mo nkojuna ma na parliament. Sa duma omodo say me say no. Enti say ye menko akwa I will go to parliament and speak on behalf of the people of Akoma. Sabe. Opposition, yes. Opposition in numbers. But I tell you, we are going to be constructive opposition. We are going to be there for the Ghanaian people and for our constituents. And to Obiant nephew, we will go to parliament and our voices will be heard constructively. It's also be a opportunity. Yeah, the kind of opposition I said they say normal. That the opposition idea normal. The also NDC during the election, the campaign, say we are going to keep them on their toes. Oh yes, we are going to keep them on their toes. Nasa adiana Ghana for you did you to Obama, Jinaso, to Obama, on the bay, Ghana,
we are penny a war a year MPP Amanyo Kun mekanisa na meka di udibia in the outgone a year governments as deputy defense minister ebano a year menkasibia obe share with us mo security tips ni nema de na o share de ama MPP amone homodin power abato ya e course ya any man be habit me ya share
sabe them say you share world over the effect, the global effect of a pandemic no money in Arab because the Russia government almost entina aba and should be the brain on the economy. So for me, the economy played a very big role. Again, I dear back one of them are from Italy. I dear back one and he said when members of parliament stood up to say, sir, there is a particular minister who should go. Somewhere, I think, I was said, I believe, sir, we started falling also from that point. I mean, there is no other way to say it. There is no other way to say it. I think there's a sir and no but it's all good because Saturday, you pay the additional so if we're not going forward, to me as a share normal. And for me personally, my brother has been ups and downs. My brother has been straightforward. My brother has never been straightforward. And sometimes I go to the lowest. But then we also are not going to the lowest, God has a way for me. He bouncing back. Evers, market on the wall. MPP will bounce back stronger and more united. So for me, that is what is important for me.
Oshe Omampenia obey His Excellency John Mahama Bebiu. Oshe ni 120-day promises Audiama eye Ghana for. Emu bi eye se obey national dialogue. Na ahwe sene omaino ebetimi akonenim mumu bi my krado say oton safrema because me say why bi da mekai the famous Senchi meeting my krado say mobeku bi na makoko ye
Ghanaians voted for the NDC to govern, and the interesting thing is that President Mahama does not have the luxury of excuse. That's what it is. He does not have the luxury of excuse because he's been a vice president, he's been a president, and now he is back. If he doesn't have the luxury of excuse at all. Maybe a Ghana, I have a role to play in parliament. I will play that role. No two ways about that. I will do that. But when the person Ghana media say President Mahama does not have the luxury of excuse. If you're not saying about the my excuse, I'm a say and can with you, but me buy no mean to me. He doesn't have that. He's been a vice president, he's been a president. It will hold him to it. About and a national dialogue and it's just to buy time. We know it. And it's just to buy time.
So, I didn't
What was the outcome? The workers were what was the outcome? The workers were why you be done. What was the outcome? We will judge him by what he's done, and we are going to judge him by what he's going to do.
I said the old kind or no kasa adwin ni baku fu tim ti mo meboa na ofrem kwa mongo.
Oh, me kasa, me see I have a role to play in parliament. I will play that role. I mean, a role to play in parliament. I will do that. But you may touch here when you say, start national dialogue now and adwin, and you're just to buy time. That is all there is to it. It's just to buy time. What else? The workers were here, you will judge him by what he's done. You were here a diamond. What was the outcome? What was the outcome? Ghanaians are not going to sit down for excuses. No. Ghanaians will not sit down for excuses. Now, this year, I'm also saying they're a guy. They're a guy. But we are not ready for guys. We are ready for action.
Anyway, honorable, maybe Jamwa come say Kasawa bre. Maybe you have one or two words for constituents, Achuma constituency.
The medical can such a for me, in spite of all the difficulties. When you are GDA, a woman, a sign, a so much, a so mammy, a woman should become. I will continue to do it. When you know, only bombing train. Achuma Kwangoma. Now, Obaya no quine by ye. Now, you're too abandoned, but as usual, political gaming, no political, you are winning propaganda. Oh, yeah, they are quine to me, you're the poor abandoned, you're quine, you big guy. But we hear, you know, here and cassette to tune in my bad fear, because you hear not, they go my home and that, baby news is you, papa. Obaya no say, to free. Yeah, any kind of no the kind contractor and so or Jumano. That's so Nana. So an opportunity we had at the time. But if you come in a Becoso Juma, the working will be a Chumakwangoma a Beconin, the working will be a Chumakwangoma Sebi, a Bepijano. We will continue to do it. That's one no two ways about that. We will continue to do it. If you're a manager, you pay your Jumadin. For me, it is about Achuma Kwangoma. Achuma Kwangoma at the jar. A whole other minister, Juma. If you pay me a GDA with me at the Sherman Sano, so Jumano. Yeah, it's a book also at the jar Achuma Kwangoma. The book also, I wear Jumadin. Now, let us say, what would be any hours or minimum people will be unhappy. But I study, you say, when you force us, when no more if you go. I'm who said your normal, you see, a show normal. NPP, a better back, a drawing table, near what's nothing. Now, after I dream, I, better, I double, yes, I, picture. Yeah, you picture, and when you say the picture, now you go back stronger.
Honorable Kofi Amankwa Menu Esquire, Medase.
Mommy, we'll start an introduction.